we always are lost in the stories of ideas and concepts.
Okay, how long you are used to the conventional world? How long? For how long? More than 20 years, 30 years, but you see, we just think in terms of conventional things like flowers and on. But now we heard about the enlightenment of the Buddha, so we understand that we cannot understand his word instantly because it's so deeply about whatever is now appearing. See, we take it for I am speaking, I'm hearing, I'm thinking, I'm doing, but actually what is there? That's why we learn to listen to each word of the Buddha, which talk about what is now as it is, not as we used to take it for I and things at all. That's why what is now. From hearing the first moment about the truth of what is now, right understanding begin to understand little and little about no I, no thing at all. The truth of what is now appearing is not known until hearing the teachings of the Buddha. For example, is there seeing right now? And if we just think about seeing somewhere and some time, it's not right at this moment. Seeing sees now, and no understanding of seeing, but what is meant by enlightenment, the truth of that which sees reveals itself as it's conditioned just to arise and see, only that, just to arise and see. No one there at moment of seeing. It's a reality which arises to see. Its characteristic is a reality. No one can make it arise without its proper conditions only. To condition moment of seeing right now, just see and then gone, instantly, unknown at all. The succession of the arising and falling away of whatever arises and falls away very rapidly condition the mark or the sign of something taken as people and thing and date and whatever is there. See, conventional world all the time, like the magician. How can he play so quickly? It appears not as the truth as it is at all. So this is the moment, each moment is different by conditions, arising and falling away, never to return. Is that true or not? This is just to think about it. Otherwise, what else should we understand the truth? Because even right now, seeing this moment is not the seeing a moment ago. And where's that? A moment ago seeing. Never to be found again, never to arise again, not belong to anyone at all. Is that not true? Just listen to the truth of what is there now to understand what is meant by enlightenment. If there is nothing now, how can there be enlightenment, the truth of it? So understanding what's meant by enlightenment, there must be whatever is now is not known yet. And then there can be a moment of enlightenment, different from this moment of conventional world. Just consider what is true and what is not true, that's all. The truth can be understood because it's there now. Whatever is there can be known from hearing, considering, and then more precise understanding of just one reality at a time, my condition, until enlighten the truth of that deeply down. So very subtle, arising and falling away. Is that true or not? That is only what we can think about because it's now as it is. Is it not true or it's true? That's all. Is it true that there is now something we don't know at all? And not knowing its truth is a reality, different from the moment when there is the understanding of the truth of it. All are different truths.